In this situation where you have extensive damage, we recommend repairing the floor by replacing an entire design unit. In this case, one of the squares will be inserted. You simply cut an oversized sheet about 1/4 inch wider than what the grout lines are, and then secure it in place with just single-face tape. I'm then going to take either a square or a straight edge and a utility knife with a sharp blade, and I'm going to cut directly down through both sheets in a single pass. You want to make sure you hold your blade perpendicular to the floor surface, not beveled, and cut around all 4 sides. Make sure you keep your fingers out of the way of the path of the knife, which is a safety tip. As you come to the end of the cut, be careful not to extend it beyond the last seam cut itself. You don't want extensions beyond your corner. After you've cut all 4 sides, simply remove the scrap flooring and your repair piece, and then you could remove the damaged section. You want to make sure that all the edges are clean, there's no felt or anything, felt residue laying there. You then take double-faced tape. In this case we're using Congoleum's Quik Stik Tape. It's a double-faced tape that is designed specifically for seaming vinyl, and it works great for repairs like this because of the wide width and easy handling. Simply lay the tape positioned about halfway under the seam cut, and be careful not to overlap the seam or the tape itself because you want to be able to pull that up after you lay it into place. The tape can be used over top of plywood, particle board, even oriented strand boards, and you should be able to achieve excellent bond with it. Secure the tape into place using a steel hand roller. Next thing would be to remove the release liner from the tape itself. By making a small cut in the edge of the tape, you can normally pull the liner back very easily. This is much better than trying to start from the corner itself. Remove the release liner from the tape all the way around the edges of the repair piece. And then you just simply want to come back in and lay your repair piece into place. You start in the corner and line that up, making sure all the seams are nice and tight, and then just press them into place by hand first. And then we're going to roll everything with the steel hand roller to embed it into the adhesive on the tape itself. And this holds it in place actually temporarily because the seam sealer is going to fuse it beyond that, but it keeps the flooring tight together during that application. We're using Congoleum SU80 Seam Sealer to seal the seams here. It's a 1-part mixture. You do need to shake that up prior to use, and it blends the flattening additives and gives you the right gloss on the completion when it's dry. Notice how the seam applicator tip is inserted between the seam sheets. The seam sealer flows from the surface all the way down to the bottom to literally fuse the sheets together, making them as strong as what the flooring is itself. The seam sealer takes about 20 minutes to dry to the touch, but you want to stay off of it for the next couple hours. There you have it, a completed repair, very durable, and it uses Congoleum's SU80 Seam Sealer and Quik Stik Tape.